In this video, I'll show you how you can add a YouTube video on Elementor. So I'm going to show you step by step how you can do this, and we'll get started right now. So all you need to do is go to your website and make sure to edit with Elementor. Now once you're here, all you need to do right here is video, and then you want to drag that in there. Next up, you'll already have the YouTube template because it automatically selects YouTube as the source, so make sure to choose that. Then go to the video that you want to add, copy the link, and then paste that link in there. So remove that link and then paste your link right there. And there we go. So that's pretty much how you can do this. Now you can then customize all of this. So you can add a start time, end time. You can use autoplay. You can mute it. You can loop it. You can do modest branding, privacy mode. You can change the style as well. But that's totally up to you guys. So if you enjoyed this video, if this helps you out, leave a like, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.